here is this really amazing laser hair removal kit. Comes in a nice little box. Here is the user manual, the quick start guide. So here are the glasses you're supposed to use to protect your eyes. Here is the adapter. Here is a razor, because whatever part of the body you're planning on using this on, you'll have to shave first. And then here is the device itself. It's very sleek. And it also comes with a little bag to store it in when you're not using it. And here is a little guide on the parts of the body that this is suitable for. So before you start, you'll obviously want to put on the protective eyewear. So you just put them on. You can start it. So it has many different levels. This is the first one. So they recommend starting on level 1 and testing just like a small part on your arm. And you can see here, it says that it's off now. So as you saw, you can increase the levels. So after you've done the skin test, you can gradually increase the levels and it will effectively remove the hair. A couple other really cool things about this is it has full body hair management. So it's suitable from your face to your body. It's super easy to use. As you can see, it only has the 2 buttons. It's really simple to operate. And there is a narrow light outlet border to ensure there is no hair mist.